Posibleng nag-refuel ang Russian submarine na dahilan ng kanyang pag-angat malapit sa Occidental Mindoro noong November 28. Ayon kay Philippine Navy spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, sa pag-deploy ng assets para subaybayan ang galaw nito, may namataang 2 surface support vessels, isang rescue tug at isang support vessel na nagsabing naroon sila upang mag-refuel sa submarine. Galing ang submarine sa maritime exercise kasamang Royal Malaysian Navy na ginanap sa Kota Kinabalu sa Malaysia.
In the presence in the vicinity within 8 to 10 nautical miles were 2 other surface support vessels, a rescue tug and a support vessel. The support vessel mentioned that they were there to refuel the submarine.
Nabatid na ang Russian submarine UFA 490 ay isang kilo-class submarine na pinapagana ng hybrid diesel at electric engine. Ipinaliwanag ni Trinidad na normal sa mga diesel-electric submarines gaya ng kilo-class ang pangangailangan ng fuel at battery charging habang nasa ibabaw ng dagat. Posible rin umunong nagkaroon ng minor repairs ang Russian forces.
While it is true that submarines are designed to travel not only on the surface but also submerged, and when submerged they have less effects of the weather. The context of the situation is most likely they were there to receive fuel, to charge their batteries, in as much as a kilo-class is a diesel-electric submarine, or probably to do some minor repairs for whatever derangement they incurred.
Pinawi naman ng opisyal ang pangamba na posibleng ng ESPya ito sa bansa.
It was first detected 80 nautical miles off Lubang Island, stationary, meaning to say it was not underway, hindi siya tumatakbo. After a few hours, it was already noticed to be traveling at a slow speed from 3 to 6 knots all the way up north. It is unlikely that they were conducting any nefarious activities.
In the heart of changing lives, ito si Brigada Kath Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music News Authority.